Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Xiaomi's Redmi Pad Pro tablet discount, Zebronics launches Zeb Aeon wireless headphones, Swiggy partners with Shield for fraud prevention, Infosys CTO on AI in workforce, OpenAI's ChatGPT update, Yotta Data Services appoints Chief AI Officer, OpenAI controversy surrounding ChatGPT 4.0 and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Xiaomi is offering a discount on the recently launched Redmi Pad Pro tablet, specifically the 8GB plus 128GB version, reducing the price to 1,499 yuan from its original price of 1,699 yuan. The discount amounts to 200 yuan and is valid from 12th May to 20th May. Customers who purchase the tablet between 10th April to 14th May at the original price can claim a full refund of the price difference. Zebronics, a leading brand in IT and gaming peripherals, audio, consumer electronics, mobile lifestyle accessories, introduces Zeb Aeon wireless headphones in ANC active noise cancellation. The headphones offer up to 110 hours of playback on a single charge and can be charged in just 10 minutes to provide 10 hours of backup. Equipped with active noise cancellation ANC and environmental noise cancellation ENC in built mic, the headphones ensure crystal clear audio during calls gaming. They also feature a high quality 40mm dynamic driver for crisp trebles and deep bass, along with a gaming mode for low latency gaming experience. The Zeb Aeon headphones are ergonomically designed with a foldable, lightweight body and soft ear cushions for extended usage sessions. Swiggy announces its partnership with Shield, a device-first risk AI platform to enhance its fraud prevention and detection capabilities. Shield's device intelligence helps Swiggy reduce promo abuse and deter fraudulent practices within its delivery partner ecosystem. Promo abuse, including the exploitation of platform discounts and referral bonuses, negatively affects user acquisitions, ROI, and fairness for genuine users. Infosys CTO Rafi Tarafdar emphasizes the importance of effectively understanding and utilizing AI in the workforce, distinguishing between consumers and creators of AI. Tarafdar advises individuals entering the workforce to focus on becoming consumers of AI tools to enhance productivity and add value to their roles. OpenAI has announced an update for ChatGPT, allowing users to import files directly from external cloud drives like Microsoft, OneDrive, and Google Drive. ChatGPT will analyze Python codes of uploaded files documents to understand the data, enabling quicker analysis of Google document, sheet, slides, and Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. This feature is available for ChatGPT Plus, Team, and Enterprise users initially, with wider availability for all subscribers, including GPT 4.0 and other models in the coming weeks. Yotta Data Services appoints Anil Pawar as the Chief AI Officer and Head of AI Cloud Business Unit, leading strategic initiatives within the AI Cloud BU. Pawar will shape and execute Yotta's AI strategy, leveraging AI, cloud, and platform technologies to drive innovation and deliver value to customers. His focus areas include AI as a service, AI platform as a service, AI software as a service, and the large language model marketplace within the Shakti Cloud Business Unit. OpenAI faces controversies and criticism following the launch of ChatGPT 4.0, including the departure of co-founder Ilya Sutskever and the dissolution of the AI safety team. Departing employees reportedly faced an ultimatum regarding their vested equity in the company or the freedom to speak out against OpenAI, sparking outrage and accusations of coercion. These events raise questions about OpenAI's internal practices and commitment to ethical AI development, casting a shadow over the company's image. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
क्या आप जानते हैं T4 ट्विटर अब X बन गया है। नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं विघ्नेश। आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे अल्फाबेट टी से ट्रेलो और टेंसरफ्लो। मशीन लर्निंग ही है जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को ड्राइव करता है। टेंसरफ्लो एक ओपन सोर्स प्लेटफॉर्म है मशीन लर्निंग के लिए जो गूगल ने बनाया है। इसमें रिसर्चर्स को एक फ्लेक्सिबल इकोसिस्टम मिलता है जिससे वो स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट एमएल तक पहुंच सकते हैं और डेवलपर्स को एआई एप्लीकेशंस बिल्ड और डिप्लॉय करने में आसानी होती है। और अब देखते हैं ट्रेलो को। ट्रेलो एक पॉपुलर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट टूल है जहां आप अपने टास्क को बोर्ड्स, लिस्ट और कार्ड्स के रूप में ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं। ये कोलैबोरेटिव टूल है, टीम्स को ऑर्गेनाइज रखने में मदद करता है और प्रोजेक्ट को स्ट्रीमलाइन करने में भी हेल्प करता है। तो आज के एपिसोड में देखिए हमने टी से ट्रेलो और टेंसरफ्लो के कुछ खास फीचर। अगर आपको एपिसोड पसंद आया तो लाइक, शेयर और फॉलो करना ना भूलना। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट यू के साथ।